This is the new Ventus. This is the only smoke machine I've seen that is fully self-contained, has its own power supply, its own air compressor, and is this small and good looking. All you have to do is plug in the hose, turn on power, and you have instant smoke coming out of this thing. And if you're trying to diagnose an air leak, kick this thing on and switch it to leak detection mode. The compressor is going to run without smoke output, and now you can see air leaks from 0 to 2 liters per minute with this gauge on the front. Now the Ventus comes with this really nice 2-in-1 plug and cone kit. These adapters are super soft and malleable, and if you need to plumb something, just get the right size adapter fitted in, take your smoke output hose, plug that in there, turn on power, and you're good to go. You're ready to get to work. Now if I needed to cap this off and plumb something else, you can just pull the hose, take one of these plugs from the kit, fit it into the adapter, and then you can plumb whatever section you might need, turn on the unit, and we're back to work. So I was testing out this unit on one of my BMWs, and we have a definite vacuum leak coming from this breather hose right here. You're never going to find leaks like this without smoke, and this is going to turn into a check engine light. You could take it to a shop and have them diagnose it, but it's going to cost you $100 to $150. I know, because I used to be that guy. But that's exactly why these smoke machines tend to pay for themselves. Now this packaging is no doubt my favorite part. It makes a perfect dock for the Ventus, looks really good on the bench top. You have this compartment in the rear. The kit comes with your smoke output hose, the 2-in-1 plug and cone adapter kit, full bottle of smoke fluid, your mounting hook with the hardware, user manual and quick start guide, and your USB charging cable. Now I've used a lot of leak detectors over the years, but this one takes the cake. My name is Day Off DIY, and I approve this smoke machine.